Hi there everybody. So on this video I have this the Mercedes 190e 1988, and I'm actually just refitting the grille here, but if you needed to remove this grille here, I had it off because I obviously been working with the car. I sprayed the whole car and that's why I removed it. Now to get it out, basically if you get the bonnet open, you will find these 8mm screws, and you will find that there is one there, and there will be another one in here, so one that is like this, but there is this rubber bit here that sometimes blocks the screw there a little bit. I got the rubber off here, and so there will be another screw there, and there will be another screw that is also hard to see. You need to go in through here, and it screws onto that there as well. Same on this end, it goes through here and it will screw up there. So again, this rubber covers that little bit, and then you have the other one here. If you remove those 6, then you can take this grill out, and I'm actually refitting it back in because I had it out, as I said, for the paintwork. So they are all 8mm screws. Just need to tighten those, but it's not a difficult job. And then obviously you also have these, you just this just pops out from that hole there, but when you refit it, just make sure you remember to put it in there, otherwise it will be hanging here and you will wonder what happened to it. So that's pretty much it really. So hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.